Hi everyone, it's me Danielle with A Novel Plan. Hi guys, how are you? Today I have something very special. I am here to show you guys a few items from the new 2021 Erin Condren Holiday Collection. Now I am showing you guys these products a few days early. Launch day is actually November 4th. Today is the 2nd, so you have a few days to kind of figure out what you would like to get. Now I'm going to be showing you a variety of products that Erin Condren is coming out for this holiday season. I will put links in the description box below with the item name and the price that it is. Those links are going to be affiliate links. I am an Erin Condren affiliate. If you would like to use those and help me out, I would be very grateful. They're at no cost to you. It's just a way to kind of show Erin Condren that you guys are seeing my content and that maybe I hope to make a decision or that you saw something that you really like. I want to send a quick shout out to the Erin Condren team. Thank you so much for sending me the products. I have some awesome goodies and I am so appreciative of Tori and Sam over at the affiliate program and Erin Condren as a whole. I'm so excited to show you guys some of these products. So if you want to go ahead and get comfortable, grab a pen, a piece of paper so you can kind of write down things that you might like, then we'll go ahead and just get started. Alright, so Erin Condren likes to divide their kind of holiday gift giving season into different categories. This year they're really focusing on a couple different categories. You have gifts for parents, gifts for kids, gifts for professionals, gifts for travelers, and gifts for self-care enthusiasts. And those are kind of the 5 main big categories that the holiday gift guide is all about this year. So I have a couple products from each little category and let's just get started. Alright, so from the first category I have a few things. This is gifts for parents. Now these are not just for parents, but these are some things that they thought would be a good idea for maybe parents or some teachers or things like that in your life. So first up is not a new product, but this is the monthly planner. Now if you are a seasoned Erin Condren veteran, then you know what the monthly planner is. But if you're new, then I have a video that I'll link above here kind of going over the monthly planner and what it looks like. But in this planner, I have the brand new holiday cover. This is like their ornaments cover. This is new this year with silver foil. It is absolutely beautiful. This one is going to run you $14 if you buy it separately as just an interchangeable cover. The monthly planner is just a great way to organize your life if you don't think that you need a weekly spread. It is based on this monthly spread right here. You have a dashboard page, a notes page, and then 8 to 10 more lined pages until the next month. It continues to go that way all the way through the back of the planner. You have a folder. This is the flora option, so it's this really pretty floral all over the planner. The monthly planner starts at $40. It will increase in price if you add on special things like personalization and things like that. And then I also got this personalized stationery right here. So this is the stationery storage box. When you open it on up, you will get your personalized stationery. This is a great gift for any parent who maybe has to do thank you notes, a young adult who has thank you notes that they have to write for a wedding. You're going to get these gold envelopes for it to fold into. Then you have your actual beautiful stationery. This is from the Etta V collection. You flip it around and this is what your postcard would actually look like. This letter stationery, it says kindness always, and this really pretty multicolor kind of cheetah print. You get the envelopes with it, and then you also get the Erin Condren seals to go ahead and seal your letter. This is a great gift for maybe somebody sending thank you cards for a birthday, or if they just like to write letters. Onto the gifts for the professional. Now, these are something completely brand new. These are new to Erin Condren. This is their eco-friendly tools set. So if you open this guys up, it is in a cardboard container. In this, you're going to get a 6-inch wood ruler. It's this pretty like slate blue color. You're going to get 2 ballpoint pens with wood barrels. It also has the Erin Condren asterisk logo on it. You're also going to get a few binder clips and quite a few paper clips as well. Included in this is a large sticky note cube. It is grid and it is nice and chunky just to set on your desk. Again, very eco-friendly, minimal. You also get a roll of washi with checklists. You can use this in a notepad, and you could just use this on a desk calendar, wall calendar, whatever you think would be useful for you. So you get a variety of eco-friendly tools. I think this might be maybe a new line that's coming to Erin Condren. Alright, next up is this guy right here. This is cool. This is probably in my top 5 of the whole entire holiday collection. So this is a magnetic sticky booklet. So this one is the floral. This comes in floral and focus. If you fold it like this, you have a ruler right at the bottom. It is in rose gold and it is 8 inches. If you take this back part and you fold it up like this, it becomes a stand. It is magnetic right there, so it stays. It's got the Erin Condren logo on it, and you get your sticky notes standing up right on your desk. You have 2 blank ones with floral patterns on it, and then you have a middle checklist one. There is a focused version. This magnetic sticky pad is $12.50, so it might be a good stocking stuffer. It might be a good item to kind of put in your cart if you need to reach free shipping. It is absolutely beautiful. Alright guys, so my favorite 2 things in this entire collection are coming up next. First is this guy right here. This is the organizer bookends. So these are made of acrylic. These are the type of things that you can put on a bookshelf, on a desk, maybe in your kitchen, and it literally is a bookend. On one of them, you have a spot where you can put your utensils, like your writing utensils, your pens, your markers, maybe a glue stick, maybe some chapstick, maybe scissors, whatever you need. Maybe this goes in your kitchen and maybe you use it for kitchen utensils, or you use it on a bookshelf and you use it for bookmark. The possibilities are honestly endless. On the other side, you have a traditional kind of book stand. So you have the slotted spots where you can put a planner, some paper, maybe you want to put your interchangeable covers or your dashboards, kind of organize that. You could put an actual book or a workbook. So many ideas to be able to use this functionally, but also have it work as a bookend. Gives a little bit of flair, but not too much. It's still very minimal to use in anybody's office. A good gift for maybe a man. It's pretty unobtrusive. They might actually like it. Just a really fun idea. These bookends are going to cost you $42, but they are acrylic. And the next product that I really like is along the same lines. This is the acrylic perpetual calendar. Now last year, or the year before, Erin Condren did come out with a perpetual calendar, but it was different. It had the blocks where you just kind of turn the blocks to change the day of the month. So in the front here, you have the numbers in gold. You're going to take the tabs with the month. Every single month has Sunday through Saturday, and you're going to take whatever month it is. So say we're doing this for next month. For November, I would put the 1st on a Monday. And that card now lines up perfectly with the rest of the month. All of these tabs have different months of the year. You can change it in for whatever time of the year it is. Erin Condren did good this year and combined it with desk organization. So behind it, you have a big open area that you can put anything. You can put covers, you can put sticky notes, you can put pens, whatever you want can go back there. And then on the left side right here, you have a spot for your phone. I absolutely love this. It could be a phone, it could be a small tablet, you could use it for note cards, whatever you need. You have an area to go ahead and prop up right there. It could be an iPod. It is just a very functional way to add a calendar to your desk but still have storage. This perpetual calendar is going to run you $30. On to the next category. This category is gifts for the self-care enthusiast. Now, after these past 2 years with the pandemic, a lot of people have not been taking care of themselves, me included. I have been focusing on my kids, my husband, getting us through this time. It's time to have a little bit of time for myself. So some of these items I am so excited about. This one right here is one of their new gift boxes this year. This is the kitchen gift set. This is going to run you $40. All the gift sets are going to be $40, but this one is kitchen related. They have a teacher one, they have a wellness one, they have a plant lover, so it's a lot of fun gift boxes this year. In this gift box, you're going to open it up, and these gift boxes are heavy duty, and inside you're going to get quite a few things. You are going to get 2 notepads. The first one is a shopping list. You're going to have just a big long list that you can keep in your kitchen to add groceries on when needed with the mid-century circles design. You are also going to get a recipe notepad. So you get the 2 notepads. You get a rose gold ballpoint pen. Absolutely beautiful. It has the Erin Condren asterisk on it and is perfect to use for the notepads in your kitchen. This is my favorite part of this. This little charcuterie board is my favorite thing ever. And I can't say that word very well, but I'm trying. This little board is perfect for maybe a birthday and you put a cupcake on it and you serve it to them, or maybe you want to make breakfast and have a little crackers and cheese board, or if you just want to use it for decoration, there is a hole in the top here. Maybe you can string some string through it. It does have the Erin Condren asterisk on it, their signature little symbol. Last thing in this is a mid-century circles tea towel. So this one is different than the surprise box. This one has no writing on it, so it is just the mid-century circles design in this tan camel color, and it is, to me, much more functional than the other one. I like this one much better. You can decorate with this, you can use it as a hand towel, you can gift it, whatever you want to do with it. It's pretty durable. It's kind of like almost like a canvasy material, but it is honestly really good quality, and I love the design. It's not super feminine, so it could work in a bunch of different scenarios. This is such a good thing to get if you don't really want to deal with like wrapping or like trying to put a gift together. Get one of these and there you go. All right, another item in the top 5 for me is this guy right here. So this is the A5 coiled year-over-year journal. This guy's gonna run you $20, and I honestly think it is so worth the price. It is your A5 journal, so your A5 covers that you buy will be able to fit on this. For those that need some sort of memory keeping or journal type thing, this might be perfect for you. So on the first page right here, you have January 1st and 2nd. This dark blue square is supposed to be for whatever year you're coming up on. So 2022 is what I would use it for. So January 1st of 2022. And then for me, I'm going to use a memory. So something that happens this day, maybe Ava loses another tooth. So maybe I would write that on there. And then I would go, the next day would be January 2nd, and the dark blue square would be 2022. So then the next day I would write a memory. So you go all the way through this to the very end. And then when 2023 comes around, you go back to the front and you start with this light blue rectangle. And for 2023, what would be, for me, I would do another memory. So it's, for me, I'm going to use it for memory keeping. You could use it for a weight loss journey. Maybe you want to journal how you're feeling or how your day went. Maybe it's for a business. Maybe it's a pregnancy. Maybe it's infertility that you want to track and kind of keep track of memories and things like that. There's just so many uses for this, and I absolutely love it. It's blank, so you can add your own stickers. For $20, this is a great price to me, and I'm so excited to use this. All right, so next up is gifts for travelers. Now this one, honestly, is probably my favorite category because we plan on doing a lot of traveling next year. After not traveling for a couple years, we're finally getting back to it. So this right here, guys. So if you have been with Erin Condren, or maybe you're new, they have something called a planning pack, which attaches to your planner, which holds all your pens. This is called the Ultimate Planning Pack. So this is rose gold. The old planning packs had this pouch right here that's on the front. It was on the back, and it was really hard to reach and put your things. So they moved the pocket around to the front right here. You can fit lots of things in here, maybe some sticker sheets, maybe some pens, maybe a bookmark. You open it up with this beautiful rose gold zipper, and on the inside you have more pockets, guys. You have 2 pockets right here in the middle with this beautiful pink interior, and it is just so functional and so pretty. The strap is this pretty rose gold, and it is just a little bit of an upgraded version to the current planning pack. This is great to put on your planner when you're traveling, keep your pens with you. So this is going to run you $20. Next up is the accordion pouch. So guys, accordion pouches aren't a new thing to Erin Condren, but this one is a little bit different. Instead of having 6 compartments, this one has 3. So you open it up and you have your 3 compartments. This one is a mid-century circles design with this kind of like teal color associated with it. You can unzip one category, close it, use the other ones. For me, I'm probably going to put, when I'm traveling, one has like makeup in it, the middle one maybe has toothbrushes, hygiene stuff, things like that, and then the third one maybe has shampoo or maybe has hair ties, hair supplies, things like that. So I love the idea of traveling with this and using it for smaller things. This guy is $14, and it is the mid-century circles design. All right, last but not least in this collection is this. Does anybody know what it is? So these are packing cubes. So the packing cubes come in a set of 3. They are $24 for 3 of them, and you get 3 different sizes. So this first one right here is big. It's pretty big. I would say it's maybe 2 feet, 1.5, 2 feet. It's fairly large, but it's awesome. It is maybe 2.5, 3 inches deep, so you can fit quite a few things in there, and it has a handle for you to lug around. So for this one, I would probably put bigger things, maybe shirts, maybe shorts if it's summertime. This one has a lot of room, so I could fit a lot of actual clothes in here. I could probably fit a couple pairs of pants too if I really wanted to. The medium-sized one is about 2.5 to 3 inches thick as well. It's not quite as big and has a handle as well. This one I could use maybe for socks, underwear, things like that that are smaller, scrunchies, hair things, if you really wanted to. If you want to bring like a straightener, that could fit in here. But it is the mid-century circles design with this mesh top. And the last one is more of a pouch. It's not, doesn't really have a whole lot of thickness to it, but it does zipper, and you can fit a lot of things in here. Maybe you use this one for your hair accessories and the other one for your undergarments. This is just honestly completely what I would use it for. You could use it for so many other things. Maybe you're storing stuff in storage for another season. And then I have a few other things that are not brand new to this collection, but are still really good gift giving ideas. First one is this guy right here. This is the 2022 Erin Condren Pocket Planner. I have never seen one of these before I was sent it, and it is so fun. So you have your mid-century circles cover for this one. It also comes in the camel color, and it comes in a flora design. It is vegan leather, so it's really durable. You have the gilded edges here with the gold, which is so pretty. And it is just a tiny pocket planner. It is the size of my hand. You open it up, you have your monthly spread, you have your days of the week. It is just so cute and so portable. You have one bookmark that you can use to mark your page, but it is just a fun, quick planner to be able to have for the year. Write notes down, throw it in your purse. Maybe get the brown one for a man if they need something just really quick and portable. I'm thinking about getting it for my husband, who like is a hunter and like plans things out and like that. The brown one would be fine with him, so I'm thinking maybe. This pocket planner is going to run you $18, so it's not super expensive. It's a very cheap option for a planner for somebody who just needs something quick. Another really good idea, kind of a smaller gift, maybe a stocking stuffer, maybe not, is this bookmark right here. This is the Inspire bookmark. It is metal. It is 5.4 inches by 1.6 inches, and it is this kind of like hollow almost. It's like blue at some angles, or yellow, or pink. It is really fun. It says Inspire, and you could just put it over the top of a planner, in a book, mark your pages. This guy's gonna run you $12, so if you need something quick to add to your cart to get to free shipping, or you're looking for something maybe for a stocking stuffer, this might be a really good idea for maybe a reader in your life, or somebody who could use it in a planner, or some other sort of workbook maybe for work. Another really great idea this holiday season is some sort of pen pack. So this one is the Ultra Fine Tip Markers, the 12 pack. These are the 0.3 millimeters. So they're really fine, but they are great colors. You have your 12 colors with the barrels with the mid-century circles design. These are going to run you about $20, so maybe a little bit more than a Crayola marker or things like that, but these are definitely prettier, and I find that they work really good. You have some great colors in here, and honestly, it's just a really good gift for maybe a stationery lover, or maybe a kid who likes to draw. And then last but not least is this right here, guys. This is their stackable bracelet. So if you've never seen this before, they've had a few other ones in the past. This one is a brass beaded bracelet or necklace with shiny gold accents. So I think that they're coming out, mine says Believe, I think they have one that says Renew as well, but it is stretchy, it is beautiful. You could use it as a bracelet that you stack and you kind of loop around. You could put it around your neck for a necklace if you like that look a little bit better. It is just a fun little gift, and this is going to be $26. So this one says Believe in the little gold circle. There's one that says Renew. There might be some other ones on the website, maybe too. All right, so I know I just threw a lot of items at you. There are lots more. Honestly, there are so many good products. I'm kind of curious to see which ones you guys like, which ones you don't like. My favorites would definitely be the acrylic bookends, the acrylic perpetual calendar. I really like the Erin Condren like year-over-year journal where you can kind of memory keep, and I really liked some of the travel organization, but that's kind of because I'm going to be doing some traveling. There are other items in the holiday collection. Definitely go check out some of the other content creators. If you haven't yet, they might have been sent different items than me, so you can kind of check out some of those things too. If you just go to YouTube and type in like Erin Condren 2021 holiday collection, a bunch of videos are going to come up for you guys to go ahead and take a look at. So again, this collection goes live on November 4th. Today is November 2nd, so a few days for you guys to kind of add and subtract your list, figure out what you want to buy. Typically the releases go live around 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning Eastern Standard Time, but I would suggest waiting a little bit because a lot of times with these really big releases, not all the products get loaded right at that time, and some of them take a couple hours to kind of kick onto the website, so you might have to miss out on a few things if you try making your order that early. So maybe wait just a little bit later in the morning, but don't wait too long because it is the holiday season. Shipping times, as we all know, FedEx is very slow right now, and it's just going to get worse as the holiday gets closer, so don't wait too long if you want these gifts for the holidays. That's all I have for you guys today. If you are not already subscribed, hi, I'm Danielle. If you guys want to go ahead and hit that button, I do a lot of planning videos around here. I am posting now 2 to 3 times a week, so lots of new content for you. I am posting videos, all things planning, how-tos, new planners, maybe some organizational tips, and I have a planner sticker shop, so I post videos about that too. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I'm really curious to see what you guys all pick out. Drop it in the comments below what you're interested in. I have quite a few on my list, so I'm always curious to see how my style and aesthetic differs from other people, or what's popular to people, because I kind of have ideas, but I'm not really quite sure which ones are actually going to be popular. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video and have a great holiday season. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!